The top 5 side hustles right now at the end of 2020. You know we about our bread, man. This is graduated money, and we known for not wasting no time. Number 5, Winolo. Now, a lot of people don't know about Winolo, man. It's work now, later. Winolo. Pretty clever. It's basically temp work, so if you need some fast cash right now, they got warehouse jobs, they got staffing, they got delivery, a whole bunch of other stuff. You can go on there, look at the marketplace. You can filter about how much they're paying. They show you. I've gone on there and I've seen where they had 2-hour shifts. They have full 8-hour shifts. Tells you how much you're making. Tells you exactly what you're going to be doing. It's pretty dope because it's all contained inside of the app, which is a bonus.
Where's my money? Can I have my money?
Number 4, we got Grubhub. Now, Grubhub a little more formal than everyone else.
Pardon me, would you have any gray poupon?
They got cute little uniforms that they send you once you get onboarded. They also pay a little better. You get the app, you get your uniform, you get your hot bag, you pick a shift, you get deliveries, you drop them off, you make some tips. Grubhub, really simple, real easy. We on to number 3.
Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Instacart. I got my badge somewhere around here, man. Instacart, I love Instacart. Basically, what you're doing is delivering groceries. Now, I'm saying this like you don't know what it is, but these are my top 5. These are the ones that I will go to over and over again whenever I need to get some side bread. They're ranked the way they are because of the way that you get paid. These last 3, you getting paid a lot faster. What I'm talking about a lot faster, I'm talking about same day payments. So for those that don't know how any of these work, you can get you paid as soon as you get done working, and I stumbled on my words right there. What I really like about Instacart is the flexibility. As soon as you get set up, you have the option of either picking a shift for however many hours you want to work. It's 1, 2, however many. But then you also have the ability to just go online at any time and start getting orders right away. So that's number 3, Instacart. We at number 2, and that's DoorDash.
I'm scared.
DoorDash. I love DoorDash. I freaking love DoorDash. Because all you gotta do is get your hot bag, go online, get an order, go to the restaurant, pick up the food, drop it off. Now, if you want a little pro tip, talk to your customer every step of the process. The more that you can be in touch with the customer, the more that they're probably going to tip you. And we need that extra bread. Now, I'm going to keep it 100 with you. The worst part about driving for anybody, if you're an independent contractor, is that you are responsible for your income. Which means if you miss a day, you miss your pay.
5 bars. 5 bars, 5 seconds.
If you get sick, if another lockdown happens, if your car breaks down, you got a family emergency, if you get depressed and you just don't feel like working that day, you do not get paid if you don't work. There's no paid time off. There's no out of work bonus. You just struggle, man, and that's kind of messed up. But I found a company that will pay you when you cannot work.
What you talking about, Willis?
Did you hear what I just said? They will pay you when you cannot work. Let's go! That's why this video is sponsored by Kover. So let's break down why Kover is so fire. These are benefits if you drive for DoorDash, Instacart, Amazon Flex, Shipped, Winolo, Uber and Lyft, Postmates, Caviar. The list goes on. You get paid time off. You get sick leave. You get 24/7 health service. Ring, ring. Income protection. Even if you get deactivated from a platform, you have access to a lawyer through Legal Shield as part of your membership where they can try and help you to get your account back. The bonus is if you drive for multiple platforms, it covers you across them all. But the best part, other than getting paid when you cannot work, is that there is no long-term contracts. There is not even a 6-month premium. It is month to month. How does it work? They offer 3 different plans. $7 a month, which covers 80% of your lost income. $19 a month, which covers up to $1,900 a month. and up to 7 days of lost income. And then for the full-time drivers out there, $49 a month. And it covers up to $4,200 per month and up to 14 days of lost income. Bruh. It's a no-brainer, man. But this is graduated money, and you know everybody eats. So your first month, that's on me.
Everybody eats, B.
So go ahead, get your first month free on the house, sign up, go read the fine details. There's a bunch of other benefits and perks that they add to it. And there's even a customizable plan option, and it will cover 30 days of income that's lost. We work hard. We work hard for our bread, so to have a company that's really behind us like that, I just think it's super dope. I hope we could do a longer term partnership. And I hope you guys is just as excited to know that something like this exists. Now we to the number one, and that's Postmates. Probably didn't think I was going to say that, but let me tell you why. Now this is a variable that not everybody is going to relate to, but it's my number one because of the flexibility. Postmates, just like Uber Eats, just like DoorDash, you're delivering food from restaurants through an app. But once you're signed up, if you take a trip anywhere in the United States that has Postmates, you can deliver from that location. What does that mean? You can get bread on vacation. Obviously, if you got a rental car or something, but that is fire. That's the video. That's it. That's my top 5 making money right now in 2020 in the 4th quarter. As always, it's a pleasure. I'm so happy to be back. I miss y'all so much. The channel has grown. The channel has grown like crazy. 1,600 subscribers, almost 1,700. All right, my bad, y'all. So my phone died at the end of making that video. It's on the charger right now, but I had to get this out. Over 1,600 subscribers. The last time that we were together, it was like 200. I know it's been a year, okay? A lot has gone on. The best apology is change behavior. And that's what we about at. Graduated money. And you see what it said right there? Just work harder. That's my daily reminder. If you feeling depressed, I know a lot of us dealing with that. Go get help. Right now, I have 2 dropshipping stores that are in the works of being launched. I'm filming those processes so that way there's content to talk about starting a dropshipping store from 0 and going up. I am not going to exaggerate nothing. And it's time to graduate that bag for real. 2021, I got lofty goals. 100K plus subscriber goals. Big bag goals. And I'm going to document it this entire way. So if you got video ideas, if you got things you want me to talk about, you got ideas you want me to cover in terms of making money on the internet, boop, just like that, we tonight time. Look, I forgot to put this part in the video. Put it in the comments. Whatever ideas you got, things you want me to cover, if you want me to break down, react to business videos, fake gurus, I'll do it all. I'm excited. I got a lot of content teaching you guys how to get to a bag. Oh, let me cut the light back on. Graduated money, man. 2021 is going up. The end of 2020 is going crazy as well. I can't wait for these results to come in for the dropshipping store to show you guys what the numbers are. Also doing a lot of advertising. It's get to a bag season for real. So if you new or if you are newer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I look at the statistics, the analytics, and I see that 90% of the people that watch my videos do not subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribatory. All right, for your boy one time. I'm out. Much love. Make sure that you get to it. I got a bunch of free money in the descriptions. I'm talking bonuses for signing up for a bunch of stuff. So if you don't drive for any of the platforms, you can sign up through the links in the description. And some of them have a bonus for signing up. The first 20, 30, 100 deliveries or so. So go ahead, check them out. Don't forget, get your free month of Kover, man. I ain't gonna tell you again. We are stubborn as contract workers. Paid time off, sick leave. Do I need to say anything else? I don't think so. Just work harder. Let's graduate that bag.